Yes, ship it. We source products for you from here in the UAE, Dubai, and then we deliver them to Uganda. Yeah, anything you need, we source and deliver to you, ranging from ACs, fridges. As you see here today, we've been in these markets. We have ACs, washing machines, as you see, gas cookers, ovens, dispensers, fridges, all size, microwaves, all size, all brands. So this is where we have been today, sourcing for our products for our clients. As you see, this warehouse has everything. So this is Samsung washing machines, anything you name it, we source it and deliver it to your doorstep. Dubai or UAE to Uganda. So we've been in this warehouse where there is a plenty of things: washing machines, juice dispensers, anything you name it, we source it and deliver to you at your doorstep. Ship it. We source and deliver for you. We go out in the market, look for your products, check them physically, mechanically, electronically, then we deliver to you. So we thank all those who have worked with us. Thank you so much, and we look forward to serving you anytime you reach out to us. So these are all fridges, microwaves, gas cookers, ovens, ACs. Yes, as you see in this video, it's a very huge warehouse, very huge, with plenty fridges, display fridges, anything you name it, just name it, just name it. So people, don't hesitate to work with us. Just reach out to us. The number is in the bio. We do business. A great thanks for those who have worked with us so far. We really appreciate. We do really appreciate quality washing machines. As you see, these are ACs. As you see, yeah, that's have been our tour today. This has been our warehouse. This is where we have been today. So thank you so much. We are waiting for you so that we can do business. Let me hope this video has found you well. It has been helpful to you. You might have been looking for these things. Yeah, here they are. We have got you covered now. For anything, just reach out to us. We serve you. Thank you so much.